A lot of things that we do in school are based on cause and effect relationships. And so you can take any kind of topic, scientific processes, all of these kinds of things have some kind of cause and effect relationship. Usually in school when we talk about cause and effect, we stick pretty surface level. And what I love about this particular model is it allows students to go beyond the surface level for cause and effects. And so what you do is you start with the particular concept or topic that you have. Students say everything they know about that topic. So probably they've learned some things before about this, or maybe it's something that they already have an idea about. And they explain everything they know about it. Then you have the students go through and identify immediate causes of that particular thing. So what made this thing the way it is? They can take a particular attribute that they listed and identify a cause for that particular attribute. Or they can do something more general that applies to multiple attributes that they discussed. So I typically have students first start on their own, then discuss their causes in small groups, and then as a class, we create a whole class list of these immediate causes. Then you repeat that process for immediate effects. So this thing is the way it is. What are the effects of that in the immediate time period? And again, students do that process individually, small group, large group, and you create a class list of those immediate effects. These immediate causes and immediate effects will typically be fairly surface level. That's the stuff that's going to come directly from what you taught them or what they read or what they watched. Where it gets more interesting is when you then go to prior causes and subsequent effects. So you then have students go through their immediate causes and identify a particular cause and what happened before that led to that particular cause. And again, going kind of piece by piece, this cause, what happened before that? This cause, what happened before that? And creating that list, again, as a whole class. And then repeating that process in the end for the later effects. So we identified these immediate effects. If this continues, what is the longer term effect of that? And it's in these prior causes and subsequent effects that we get students into the more critical thinking aspect of understanding a particular topic or situation. This model wraps up with students looking across this thing in chronological order. So they're starting with their prior causes, into immediate causes, into the topic or event, into the effects, and into the later effects, and drawing a conclusion and a generalization about that particular topic and what that means for whatever it is that they're studying in that class.